Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shasar Classes. My dear students, today I am going to start the new chapter of class 10 science, that is electricity. Children, this is the session of revision of class 10 and this video the Karnataka State Board SSLC students can use it and also the students of CBSE board also can use this video. And children, the one who is following even the other boards, the one who is following NCERT textbooks, even those students also can use our videos and I mean to say this video. Okay. Children, first let me see what is the syllabus. What is the syllabus is given in the NCERT textbook of class 10 science. So these are the areas we are going to cover in this chapter. This is the prescribed syllabus from the department, from the board. Most of the students still they doesn't know what is the syllabus they are going to study. Okay. The first thing we can see, we are going to cover in this chapter about electric current. We study what is electric current and some basics related to current, potential difference and electric current. And next we are going to study Ohm's law. And then we are going to study resistance and then resistivity. And then what are the factors on which resistance of a conductor depends. Next, we are going to study the circuits of series combination of resistors and parallel combination of resistors and its applications in daily life. Okay, we are studying series and parallel combination of resistors. What we are going to use in our daily life also we are going to study. Heating effect of electric current and its application in daily life we are going to study. And then we are going to study about electric power. And next, we are going to study interrelationship between P, V and R. So these are the areas what we are going to cover in this video. Okay. And children, this is the crash course what we have started here at present. Okay. This crash course consists of the completion of syllabus. We are going to complete the entire syllabus of this particular chapter. And then we are going to solve question and answers. We are going to solve question and answers. And then we are going to help you by suggesting which are the questions you can expect in your board exam. And we cover the previous year questions. Based on this chapter. Till now, which are the questions have appeared on this chapter, or maybe your model papers, or maybe the previous year papers. These all things we are going to cover, and then we are going to solve the numericals related to this chapter. That is nothing but problems. I can tell you one more thing. In this chapter, especially in this chapter, 60% you can expect theory and 40% you can expect the numericals, that is problems. So this chapter has the maximum weightage to ask the questions of numericals, that is nothing but problems. You need to solve the problems. We will show you and explain you all the different types of problems which you can expect for your board exam. Understood? I hope you all have understood the concept what exactly we are going to cover in our videos. Okay, and this is the revision class what we have started. To complete this chapter, hardly we can take around 3 to 4 days. In 3 to 4 days session, we are going to complete and cover the entire chapter syllabus, and after that we can give you the guarantee that 100% you can answer any question let you see in any paper. You will be in the state to answer any question. That much guarantee we can give you and the surety we can give you. But very important, again I am repeating, very important, you should have the core basic subject knowledge. And so what is the reason we have started this revision? Very simple, children. So I will tell you the reason behind this of starting the syllabus or starting the revision at this interval of time, because we have found in many places still there was no proper syllabus is been covered. Okay. There was no proper online classes as conducted, no proper offline classes was also conducted, and many students have missed many classes, they doesn't know. Okay, and also the students are in a hypertension at this time. What I have to do in the last moment? How can I study? How can I cover the syllabus? If you see, if you go and take help from anyone, definitely they can do some 10 to 20, 30% help to you. But no one can do at this time 100% help. But here we are in the state to give you 100% help. Okay? But only the thing is, what I like to say you all, that is nothing but what we suggest you, please focus on that. What you are studying, the rest I am not sure about it. But initially what I am suggesting or what I am covering, please follow me and follow the things what we are going to explain, and follow the areas and concepts what we are explaining, and try to analyze the topics, try to understand the questions or the meaning of the question. Definitely you can answer any question in the last moment. This is what we are going to cover in our sessions, in our videos. And this is science. This is the paid video. If any student want these all things to get covered, okay, you have to pay a certain amount to watch the video. Okay, that payment gateway link already we have given in our previous video. If you doesn't know about how to access these classes, in the below description I will give you the link of that particular video where we have given complete detailed information how you can access our revision classes. Do not worry children, we are not going to charge you much amount. The charges will be per chapter between ₹1 to ₹50. Okay, this is only one time payment. If you want electricity, which chapter you find difficult, you can take only that chapter. But which chapter we are going to start, we will update you in our YouTube post or else in our Telegram channel. Okay, this is the name of our Telegram channel, that is Shah Sir Classes. Shah Sir Classes, this is the name of our Telegram channel. Please do try to join this channel, okay, by this name, and you can find many updates and also many important videos links, your model paper solution links and so on. We are already updated in our Telegram channel. Do use those links and download it and start practicing. Is this clear? I hope you all have understood how to use and how to do the payment. Already we have given in our video, as I have said you. And if you want any PDF, please try to join this Telegram channel Shah Sir Classes. You can find the link of those videos. And still, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel Shah Sir Classes, do subscribe it and click the bell icon so that you can find the latest updates and notifications. And even share this video as much as possible with your all friends and your classmates, and ask even them to join for the classes. Okay, and but make sure that our channel is completely free of cost. We are not going to pay anything to watch the videos of our channel. Only we are charging for the revision classes. This revision we are doing for the entire chapter. We are covering the entire syllabus. We are not going to leave any area. We are going to cover each and every point, each and everything. That's what we are going to charge you. In case if you want this chapter electricity, then you have to pay ₹40. It's a only one time payment. Maybe I am taking 3 to 4 days or 5 days, whatever the days I am taking. You are not going to pay every day or every time. Only one time payment you have to pay ₹40. In this we are going to cover your entire syllabus. That's it, nothing else. I hope it's not so hard or it's so tough for you people to pay this amount and access the class. Okay, we know the situation. As per the situation only, we are just planning to take a small denomination from you all. Okay, so that we can utilize this money for other purposes. And our institute name is Evershine Coaching Center. This classes is been conducted behalf of Evershine Coaching Center. It is managed by Evershine Educational and Charitable Trust. Okay, do utilize the opportunity to learn with Faisal sir. So inshallah, hope so best we can do the better and the best for you all, to help you to score good marks and even of course out of marks. Okay, thank you, keep watching, wish you all the best of luck, do well. In our next session we are going to start the syllabus. Okay, if you want to access those classes, then before that you have to pay the amount and then you can access the classes. Thank you, keep watching, take care, bye bye.